how to fix locked Snapchat account. So if your Snapchat account has been locked and you want to fix it or get back, then this video might help you. Make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So for that you have to contact your Snapchat. So simply open up to Google and you have to tap on the search bar and search for Snapchat support. When you search for that, you will be able to see Snapchat support at the top. Tap over there and you'll be opened up to this interface where there are a lot of options about Snapchat support. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see contact us option. You can directly go for contact us and you'll be able to submit a request over here. So since we are trying to get back a locked account, you have to select, I think my account was compromised over here, and it will take a few time to load. You just have to wait for the next result, and after that you just have to scroll down a little bit where you will be able to see the text boxes. So here you have to enter your username in the first text box, and in the second text box you have to enter your email. In the third text box you have to enter your mobile number. But before entering, make sure all of the information you enter here are linked with your locked Snapchat account, so that only they will help you to unlock that. And at the last you have to enter your description. You can say that my Snapchat account has been locked, so I just want it to be unlocked, so help me to do so. And after doing that, you just can go for submit at the button, and after a few times Snapchat will contact you through email or phone number or anywhere, and they will help you or guide you to recover your locked account. So this is how easily you can fix locked Snapchat account. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.